Alright, this is what the interior look like before we start. Before we start the cleaning process. And hold it. So we'll see what it looks like when we get done. Trying to take some of this stuff apart. Got a Rockford Fires Gate amp in it. It's old as hell, but sometimes older stuff is better.
Yeah.
So, trying to get it out. Then we're gonna take the seat out. I think we're gonna take the seat out and see if we can vacuum it up a little bit better. The seat's kind of in the way, and it's got a lot of
grass and dirt on it.
So we'll be right back shortly.
Hey, I'm about to flip this carpet over so I can finish vacuuming.
Did you get it pretty clean? Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. I like it. Good job, Killer.
Thanks.
Came out pretty good.
It's smaller than it looks. It looks pretty good.
Let's take a look.
That's my dog.
Original floor mats. See if we can get them cleaned up. Gonna lay it. Doing a little vacuuming. Seat out. All right, just got done vacuuming. Clean up the doors too. We're gonna take the trim out down the road since this is a long-term project. Probably replace the carpet and all that, but we just wanted to get it respectable, and I think we did that. I think the mission was accomplished. Looks pretty good. Clean that door out as well. So we're gonna vacuum out the seat and put it back in and see how it looks. I think it worked out well. Clean the doors out. Clean the seat. We just wanted to get it respectable. Clean the seat off. Behind the seat, pretty decent. Before all the mats and whatnot. all that junk. All that was in the truck. People keep a lot of shit under their hood. Starting fluid, brake fluid.
What are those?
This thing got a audio box something. I'm gonna take this shit out. Must have been some kind of either alarm or some kind of damn. That was a little different. It's a bigger size. Some kind of damn speaker or something.
Like a car alarm? Or like a music speaker?
Yeah, something like that. Damn, it's a long ass screw.
It's taking forever.
It's the longest screw he could find.
He never wanted that thing to come out.
Have to get the screws out first.
What the heck?
I have no idea what that is. Audio box.
What if it's like an intercom?
We don't need it. I just gotta get these damn screws out of here. Look at that. Look how long that is.
Whew.
That don't make no sense. Put screws that long into the fender. Alright. Got that out. Need to figure out what this is. See?
Starts there and goes over behind the
I believe that goes to the trailer brakes, I want to say.
yeah, because look, it starts going in through there.
See if we got it right here.
That must wrap around something.
Fuse fender thing. Look, it's got a light like the one we bought yesterday.
Already installed?
And it worked.
Dang.
Look at that. Oh man, got some speakers in here or something.
Whoa, I turned the music on
Look.
last night. It didn't sound very good.
That ran to the inside. Fuse box. Yeah, we're gonna figure out what this is and probably get that off of there. I don't know what that is.
It's dripping.
That's the 7-pin. This right here, it got ran over to the back to the 7-pin trailer harness. Garbage. Look at that. Just getting it cleaned up. This coolant bottle looks terrible. Get another one of those. They don't even have a lid. Nasty ass tape. I should have said we saw one yesterday.
There was some in some of the Suburbans and stuff.
There you go.
Got it out.
Pile growing. Look at it. Making progress.
Yep.